Hello everyone, so today I'm going to see how to make a frizzy hair into the plain hairs. So here I'm going to take Multani Mitti. I have taken up khadi, which is 100% natural. Here I have done grinding some rice. So the white rice powder I have made, and the dahi, that is curd. Here it is honey. I have taken dabur honey, and this is the normal face wash you can use before applying it. So this is the aloe vera skincare gel. This is the hot water we have taken. So now we will take the rice powder in the bowl. Around 2 to 3 spoons is okay. Then we'll put curd. That too it is around 3 to 4 spoons according to your hair. I have less hairs, so I have taken accordingly. You take accordingly. I have around mid-length hair, which comes up to shoulder. Below that, now we are taking the honey and we'll pour it slightly above that. The 1 to 2 spoons. Now we'll take the Multani Mitti in the bowl and we'll put it in the bowl, and we'll the 3 to 4 spoons this also. And now as all the ingredients are there, we will mix it properly to get a proper paste. So we can add hot water here. So you'll mix it properly to make a simple paste of it. So you can see how nicely I mix it. So you'll mix it in that way. So now you'll put the aloe vera gel at the top of it. It is also around 2 to 3 spoons kind of thing. You can use the natural aloe vera gel, also the market ones. It's a very nice product for hairs and face as well. So you can use according to your needs. It brings back the proteins back to your hairs. Now you are going to mix it properly, and if it's too muddy or if it is too hard, then you can add some water. If it is not, you should add hot water every time, not the cold one, so that it will mix in a proper consistency. Like this you'll mix it. Now with the steaming part, take the towel and the water, hot water, put the towel inside the hot water in the mug. This is taken as a part of steaming, as I don't have the steamer for hairs. So now you will just put it in your hair for some time. I have put for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll start, after some time, we'll start applying that mixture in hair. So now you part your hair side by side and then you apply it. So we'll properly apply it with the strands of the hair and put some clip or something so that the hair does not mix up, and comb properly before you use it. So my hairs are like bit rough at that time, so it was a difficult for putting, but you should first comb it, then use it. Now it's done, so you can just tie to both of your hairs and keep it for around 30 minutes, and now it's done.